Hello my loves, today you're going to be discovering a new product and something newly launched by Just Herbs, the Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. Yes, I have to grab 2 shades out of 7 they have recently launched. So if you want to know everything about this little product, then keep on watching. Frankly speaking, this would be my first ever lip and cheek tint. I have never bought, or I would say never thought of getting one lip and cheek tint for myself, and I know how amazingly it can work on the skin, give you that nice fresh flush look. But yes, after watching like a million reviews, or I would say so many Instagram posts, so many swatches, that yes, I had to get it. But after watching so many reviews, who actually convinced me to get it is Khadija from Instagram. Her page name is Beauty Anomaly. I don't want to mistake it. So yes, I have still opened her page. She has swatched all the shades from this range and she actually made me buy this. So yes, Khadija, thank you so much for actually swatching all the shades and making me buy the first ever lip and cheek tint in my vanity. So the lip and cheek tint would come in a box like this, very cute cardboard packaging. I really like the packaging, and this would be my first Just Her product as well. And all the details will be mentioned on the box. The shade will be marked behind, as well as it is written on the pod as well. And yes, you get 695 rupees. I think you get 4 grams of product. Yes, I'm right, you get 4 grams of product for 695 rupees. And I bought it in a launch offer. I don't know if the offer is still running. If it is still running, I will mention it in the description. So if you buy it from their website, you would get 2 lip and cheek tint for 795 rupees. That is basically just paying 100 rupees more additional to 1 MRP, and you get 2 lip and cheek tints to try. So I was like, this is a good offer and I could try 2 shades. So yes, I got this product in a good offer. All in all, I am really loving the product. Let's just see the packaging and everything. So this is how the product would come, and you can see the actual shade as well. Some basic ingredient details right behind, and then it is 100% vegan, no minerals and no parabens. When you open the pod, you get a lid on top. That's really good thought. Basically, some of you may just throw it, but I would suggest you not to throw it. You open it, you get the cheek tint right here. Now the product is really pigmented. It just blends seamlessly onto your cheeks, and it just gives you that nice flush touch on the cheek. Today also I'm wearing one of the shades. I'm wearing the shade Peachy Coral 02, and I went ahead and bought the Pink Forever. So I really wanted to buy all the 7 shades because they all are stunningly done. Shade wise, I would give it to the brand. They have really picked out some amazing shades. They are not similar to each other. So as I was talking, the pigmentation is really good. It blends easily. It will work on a no makeup face really well. Now there is another point which I would like to mention here in the application process. If you want to wear it on your makeup, what basically you have to do, you have to wear your foundation and do not powder your face, apply the blush and then powder your face, because the product may not blend well or maybe just spread well on a powder base. So it needs something to stick on and blend with the liquid product. So do not powder your face first and then go in with the blush. That is something which I have noticed. So I thought I will just quickly mention a small point so that you don't make that mistake. Apart from that, there is not much to talk about the lip and cheek tint because they are extremely well done. But I will just run through certain points which brand has mentioned, that it can be used as more of a natural lip tint. So if you don't want to wear lipstick every day, you just want to add a little color to the lips, you can just do it in the morning routine. So what basically nowadays I do, I will wash my face, put a little lip and cheek tint on the cheeks, and I'm done. Sometimes people feel that, oh my god, your skin is looking so pink and so fresh. They don't know that I have applied a cheek tint. So yeah, that's how flushy you can look. It is enriched with goodness of jojoba oil, javitri and rice starch. It gives you more of a buildable sheen on the skin, and it does not flake up. Yes, it does not flake up. It does not dry out your skin. It is not going to make your other products also flake up. So once it is blended well onto your skin, it is not going anywhere. It is mask proof as well, because I have been wearing these lip and cheek tints more than 2 months and they work absolutely wonderful. And all in all, it stays easily up to 6 hours, but with me I have experienced it stays much longer. It is suitable for all skin types and it is free from parabens and SLS. Again, a wonderful made lip and cheek tint. And yes, since it is my first ever and I was really skeptical should I be buying it, because since I didn't have a hang of the product, so I was a little confused. But these products are well done for the pricing and the amount of product you're getting. Now a lot of you have a complaint that I've read it on Nykaa as well that a pod is very small. Trust me girls, it looks small. There is a lot. This 4 grams is not getting finished. Like I have like 2 now, so this is gonna take like years to finish. So for $6.95 you're really getting a good amount of product and a good working product, a good quality product which is completely vegan and made in India. So all in all, fully approved. If you were eyeing these lip and cheek tints from Just Herbs, do not have that second thought, get it. You're gonna love it. So that was my small mini in-depth review come dry on with the Just Herbs lip and cheek tints. Frankly speaking, these lip and cheek tints are gonna make me buy more lip and cheek tints, so I am definitely grabbing few odd from different brands as well, and I will keep updating you. But for now, these are my favorites and I'm constantly using them. And yes, if you have any brands to suggest, do leave it down through your comment. I will try to get whatever I can, whatever fits my budget, but I am all up for lip and cheek tints. So I hope you loved watching this review. I will be here soon with some more interesting reviews. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.